I almost got bodied right there. I've been getting bodied all day.
This is the worst park ever. All right, guys, we are very excited to be at what might be the weirdest
It's pretty weird.
skate park I've ever seen in my whole of existence.
It's got a very DIY vibe to it, which is nice.
Pink ramps, flat
Yes.
ground, and we got Crispy McNugget.
Yes, we do.
And special guest co-stars Hudson and Hudson and Maddie. Follow her on Maddie Skates on YouTube. Did I get it right? Yeah, I nailed it. Let's go.
That's right.
Okay, so we're gonna rate this park. We're gonna go obstacle by obstacle, and you gotta get a rating out of 10. And if you can do a trick on every obstacle, what do you got?
I guess we gotta start with these quarter pipes because it's the far edge.
Start with the quarter pipe.
All right.
Go ahead, Maddie. Yeah,
Dang.
first try. Let's go.
That was legit.
Yeah.
All right, I got your back.
Nice one. Well played, Hudson. Yes, sir.
Nollie back D right there.
I think this quarter pipe is good.
It's really good.
10 out of 12.
Yep, math.
What's your rating? 8.5 out of 10. Okay.
There's a lot of things going on with this obstacle here. I can tell you that.
Is it a hip? Is it a grind ledge? Is it a ledge? Is it a... Oh yeah, they're just
wall
a straight
ride?
drop in.
All right, well, I'll just try to 50-50. I'll keep it basic
Yeah,
over here.
please. Yeah, if you can 50-50 up that all the way and land into there,
That'd be sick.
I'll give you Tony Hawk Pro Skater Volume 2 vibes.
All right. Turns out I cannot.
Wow, first try.
Yeah, one more shot.
Yes.
It's good.
He was like waiting, thinking, what do I say about this obstacle?
I think this is cool though, the little bank to wall ride.
Yeah.
Try like a nose stall on it
Yeah.
real quick.
Wow, you didn't need to do that, but okay.
First try.
Okay, let's rate this entire monstrosity of an obstacle.
I think this is really cool. It's really diverse.
Yeah?
Lot in one. I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
9?
Yeah, it's cool.
A 9?
It's cool. 9 club, baby.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I give it a 10.
Really?
See?
10 is like the best obstacle that ever existed. And then they go probably a 9. What is this then?
What do you call that?
I don't know. I just call it the hump.
I call it the pink camel. That's what I call it. Can you guys grind the whole thing?
Have you ever grinded the whole thing?
Yeah.
No way.
What? I want to see that.
Yeah, if you guys can grind the whole thing, if you can grind the whole thing 5 tries, I'll give you a board. Just a deck. That's all I have.
There
I
you
don't have
go.
grip tape on me. I only have a deck. 5 tries.
I guess I'll try a nose manual. I guess that'd be interesting. Oh, does that count as a try? I don't know.
That's a try. 1.
Oh,
You got that. You might
it
need to
might
go
be
this
better
way.
going the other way because it's downhill. I
Yeah.
don't know. Well, that's ridiculously hard. I'll try one more though. Oh, yeah, you got that.
Yeah.
The little drrrr, that makes it really hard. Oh,
Try number
Right there.
3.
oh.
That was sick. Yeah, Crispy.
Dude, that's so hard. I don't know if I can do this. Oh!
Get that man aboard. First try.
Yep, first try.
pretty
Well
good.
done. That was amazing. You just shut down the whole park.
Dang.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Whoa, back
I
to
get a
back to
board.
back? Okay, I'm giving that a 10.
I don't like that thing that much. It's kind of cool.
Give it a rating.
I'll give it a 7.
You didn't ollie on the bottom part.
I didn't, huh? All right, let me do that real quick.
So sick.
7.2.
So good.
7.2 right there.
See, it's this kind of creative skating we get
See?
out here.
That was cool. What about this spot right here?
You want to hit this guy?
The bench.
This one is too skate stop for me. No way. No way you didn't do that.
This is the best obstacle in the park right here.
No way.
Yeah, you're right. I can't.
You can. Good. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yeah.
Skate everything.
Street skating.
This is
Street skating
right
in the skate
here. All
park.
right, last try.
Yes, sir.
Can we move on?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you guys call this? I mean, you guys are the locals, so this is called the Squiggle.
The Squiggle.
I think what we need is a synchronized trick. All three of you.
Dang.
Wow. Frontside air. First try.
I'll manual it. This is like the Rick and Morty obstacle or something. This is weird.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah. Slayed it. Blunt 180?
Oh!
Yeah.
That's a late revert right there. Yep.
Wow.
Back D.
Squiggle for the win.
I like how we completely ignore the giant rail going across.
I know,
That's okay
please,
though.
Please ignore that rail.
Yeah.
But this one, who's got the rainbow rail?
I ain't doing that.
I love when they say not every try, which means they can do it on some tries.
Right. I know what I'm gonna do, and it's not the rainbow rail.
Somebody's got it. Yeah, the rock, please.
Oh.
Would you say skating rocks?
Yeah, I called that rock.
Whoa.
You heard that?
I did. I don't even gotta skate. This is awesome.
Okay, rock can go back down. Who'd have known this is the best obstacle in the park?
This is great. Right here. Shout out Day One song.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
10 out of 10.
Rock out of 10.
Spot rocks, dude.
Yeah. Okay, rainbow rail.
I ain't got no rainbow rail.
It's just a ride on the mini ramp section.
I did not even see this as a mini ramp.
Wow. Sick.
What the heck is that?
Yeah.
All right, I know what to do.
Oh yeah,
You
you
wanna go
definitely got the rainbow. Or like go up onto the rock and
That's
then
what
ride
I
down.
was thinking. Let me try that. Let me try
Oh
that.
wait, I have an idea for the next one.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, to rock. Let's go. Okay, watch out, guys.
Look out, she's gonna hit the rim.
Here she comes.
I'm kind of scared about this. This
Same.
is not a good idea.
Nah, she's pro. This is
Oh,
her
okay.
local.
Oh my God. I would have lost my McNugs.
Okay, that's it on the rainbow. What about this?
You got anything for this ledge?
Sledge?
Let's see it.
See, I love how this little addition is here too.
That's the best part right there.
Little slappy curb.
Should we hit rock to fakie that?
Yeah.
All right.
If you rocked it, figure that. Wow. Who said he wasn't a vert skater? Yeah.
It's pretty slick actually.
Okay, rate the curb.
Because of this,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 8.9.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then what about these ones? The mini ramp section.
The mini ramp section is gonna be a 6.7.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no coping.
I was thinking it's 6.5, but the
Okay.
6.7
Yeah,
makes
close
sense.
enough.
Yeah, yeah. What do you guys call this thing? Oh, I guess this is next. Wow.
This skate park is hard, man.
I know. It's hard out here. Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, that was pretty good.
What do you guys call this?
From a dragon.
Dragon.
I like
I
that.
knew it was gonna have a good name.
The Humpty Dump.
Okay, any trick? Yeah. Rock and roll, rock fakie. Yes. This whole place, this whole skate park is like a giant snake run.
That's pretty cool.
The dragon?
Pretty cool. I like it. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's fun to cruise through. You could grind it. You could practice your stalls. I'm gonna give it a 9.1.
Wow.
It looks great.
Wow. That's big money.
It is big money. Let's keep it going. We got a nice big bowl over here. We got this coping thing, coping transition.
You'll make a mini ramp out of anything. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's kind of steep.
You want to roll in? What are you trying? Yeah.
Man, where's JD when you need him? This is his territory right here. Dang, that's cool.
Hudson.
gotta
Oddly
hit-
enough, this place is like really well built.
It's pretty tight, yeah.
It's like a
I like
whole
it.
snake run. Like look at that whole just section, just all the way from back there all the way to this. Sick. But my favorite part is coming up over here.
Oh yeah?
We got to get to the ledge,
Dude,
dude.
we got so much more to go.
Oh my, please be careful. Why am I so good? I guess because I have a broken foot, I can barely walk. I'm just like, cautious kids, cautious. No way.
That was wild.
No way. How do you just do that? Yes. Yes, sir. Wow. Smooth with it.
Hey, I like that.
If you land it right here, everyone watching is following your YouTube channel. Bet.
Dang.
Let's go. Give her a follow. No cap.
That hurts my knees just watching.
But who's got that?
I'm so ready to.
If I was a couple inches shorter, I could hit that, that's for sure.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay, that's easy. 10 out of 10.
That's why I need marks over here.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
That's what the people needed.
All right. Should we board slide this?
Yeah. Wow.
It was slick and then sticky and then slick and then sticky again.
Yeah, you were like, whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right, I got it. I gotta get one.
You gotta get in on that. Yeah. Okay, this thing.
I like that though. That was cool.
Yeah, that's a 10 out of 10
10
too.
out of 10. This is like a curved lounge bench thing, like.
It's like a manual pad quarter pipe bench ledge.
Right?
Like just decide what you are. Yeah, he's got the idea. Like, did somebody grind like from here?
Probably. Let's see if I can do the nose manual pivot thing. Let's see.
No way.
I feel like there's not enough space for that, but.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna slide it.
Yeah. First try. Yeah. Yeah. No way you did not just do that.
I did.
I'm gonna lie though, this ledge is really, this is it. I would come to skate this for hours.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a great ledge.
It is.
10 out of 10 ledge.
Thank you. That's what I needed in my life. Nose manny nollie flip. Yeah. First try.
I love it. 10 out of 10.
He loves it. He's got a smile on his face and a grind in his trucks.
Yes. Yeah. Well said.
Yes.
Should we do the bar?
Yes.
All right. Raising the bar. I got stuck.
Yeah.
It's sticky.
I don't think a lot of people are making use of the bar.
All right, right here.
Yeah. Rail trick?
Rail tricks? All right. We got to see how slick it is.
Yeah. Yes, sir. First try.
I got one more for the rail. Woo! I gotta get that board feeble. This rail, perfect. 10 out of 10 rail. It's just a little close to the bush, but still enough space. I like it. I almost got bodied right there. You got the butt drop in? Ew! I got your back. That was scary. Yep. I'm gonna try and clean mine up. I've been getting bodied all day. There you go.
Okay,
AK
you
with
killed
3
it.
boards.
There you go.
Also, Braille deck. Pretty done.
You killed it. Good job. Yeah, you're welcome. Keep skating. But it'll be better than that wet willy board for sure. Thanks for being in the video. You guys are awesome.
You guys killed it.
We got an ender on this?
I don't know. What should we? Maybe like fakie nose slide with back tail.
Yeah.
On the edge?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's pretty good.
Oh, 2 back tail?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I
sick.
think that'd be cool.
Yeah.
All right, that's a fun one.
Woo! In the McNuggies.
Yeah.
In the
Just
nuggets.
about. Oh, that's gonna take me a while, maybe.
Or just do a 270 out
What's that?
of that. Half cab nose, 270.
I've never done that.
Never?
No.
No way.
Should I try it?
What about up to crooks? Like half cab nose slide up to crook.
Nope. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, what's it?
That was it. All right, I gotta land it now.
Over here. Oh! So good, so good.
That was sick what you did.
Thank
That
you.
was fucking tight.
Thank you, thank you. Well, overall, this park is very interesting. I really like it. I like the pink theme.
Overall,
Overall
rate it.
rating. Just for how cool it is, I'm gonna give it a 9.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought we were gonna come here to film like, this is the worst park ever. And then I realized this is the best park ever.
It's actually really cool, and I'm bummed that this is barely our first experience
Yeah,
here.
how have we not been here before?
Because we thought it was the worst skate park in the world. I don't know.
Yeah, you see the pictures on Google and you just think, I'm not going there. But then you get here and you're like, now I understand.
Yeah, and the locals are cool. The vibes are good.
So good. All right, well, a huge thanks to Christopher McNugget for coming out here and shredding it.
You're very welcome.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.